right, today we're gonna bring a large projector screen. Now you get the inflatable machine. All right, this is the air to keep the inflatable machine. Everything's in here in a bag, and you can fit all this stuff. I like it to give you the netting and the spikes, and even needles in case you have to sew some of the stuff back, because it is a material made of cloth and polyester and so forth. So sometimes they damage because things happen. You could get it fixed. Now we'll put this together and see how large it is. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so here's the final thing going. It's huge, it's humongous, guys. So we're gonna put some stakes right now and tie it down with ropes, because in a windy day it might get a little dangerous. All right, this thing is humongous. This is a huge connection. Look at this. It's perfect. If it's windy, you got to be careful. Great movie theater here. The pump is not that loud, which is perfect. You could put the pump even further away from here, so it's a perfect way to actually do it. But we're just gonna show you guys how it looks with the movie. Look at that. Focus. It's not focus. There you go. All right, look at this giant screen. Even with light on, it looks good. We're running the projector here. Look at the size of her and the screen. It is huge. So if you're gonna watch movies or play something outside as a party or for fun or family, this is perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.